I wasn't going to make a video from this log or of me milling this log, but took the first cut and this is what it looked like inside. So I thought, what the hell? That's pretty cool. I don't know what the rest of the log's going to look like, but I figured, hey, I'm in here now, I might as well cut it and share it. So we'll see what we find. Stay with me. Well, it's not as exciting as the other stuff, but well, we'll keep going, see what happens. I don't know, that's pretty cool. That's pretty, it's a little soft, but it wouldn't take much to stabilize that. You know, these parts here are soft, but there's something about spalted maple, spalted lumber, period. It's pretty cool stuff. Come on, tell me nature isn't cool. Now I get that that is obviously too soft. That's just rot. That's like a sponge. But I think you can make some pretty cool tabletops out of these. Same thing here. It's kind of cool. What can I say? Wish I could take credit for it, but I can't. Well, I kind of can because I left the logs being piled. A pile of logs I never got around to. So they just sat there rotting. But I've done a few other videos on spalted lumber or whatever. And I just think it's cool, so I want to share it. Guys, I'm just going to finish this up and then I'll show you the rest of the log, what it looks like when I'm done. Right. It's kind of cool looking. And it's all pretty much solid. So I think I might be able to do something with that. Then I got these pieces here, which are all kind of cool. But stuff I found at the very beginning is by far the coolest. Like, that's just cool. I don't know any other word for it. I'm liking that. I'm going to do something with that for sure. Like I said, this is all, I'm going to have to be careful with it and protect it as it dries. Really stack it well, I guess. Tie it. I don't know. Another not so exciting video. Thanks for watching again. Take care. Bye.